Hello students, welcome again in online maths classes. In this video I will solve the questions of exercise 2.2 and again it is from NCERT folder. As you can see this is the NCERT folder and it is page number 33. So we will solve this exercise, okay, and the question number 1, 2 and 3. So today we will solve these questions of exercise 2.2. This exercise is all about linear equations in one variable, but few important concepts are there. What are these? Before solving the questions, I want to tell you some concepts. For example, when you see that actually there are word problems and we will convert the word problems into mathematical expressions or algebraic equations. यहाँ पर हम स्टेटमेंट्स और जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको ट्रांसलेट करेंगे मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस या एक्सप्रेशंस में. कैसे करेंगे देखिए. ऑलवेज मोर देन. इफ यू सी मोर देन it means you will perform addition. If it is less than you will perform subtraction. If it is given that something is 2 times or 3 times you will perform multiplication. Okay, so 2 times means multiply by 2, 3 times means multiply by 3. So many more things are there and it is very interesting. So you have to consider these things and these will be used when we solve the questions. Now I am going to solve question number 1. It is given that if you subtract 1 by 2, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, okay, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So question is, okay, I have not written complete question so you can understand it. Now it is, listen carefully. If you subtract, it means you will use minus sign. 1 by 2 from a number. So मैंने आपको एक वीडियो में बताया था from के बाद में जो भी लिखा होता है वो माइन्यूएंड होता है और ये सबट्रेंड होता है. मीन्स फ्रॉम के बाद जो मेंशन है उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे और इसको बाद में लिखेंगे. वी विल यूज माइनस साइन एंड मल्टीप्लाई. इट इज सिंपल. यू विल मल्टीप्लाई द रिजल्ट बाय 1 by 2. यू गेट 1 by 8. यू गेट मीन्स इट इज इक्वल. ओके, यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इक्वल साइन. जब भी क्वेश्चन में आपको ये दिखता हो कि यू गेट और यू ऑब्टेन, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट इक्वल साइन. हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस question? Let the number is x, so we write according to question. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, means हमें 1 by 2 को उस नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो उस नंबर से 1 by 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है एंड मल्टीप्लाई द रिजल्ट बाय 1 by 2. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट. मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 1 by 2. यू गेट मीन्स इट विल बी इक्वल 1 upon 8. Okay, now I solve here. We have to solve this equation and we will find the value of x. So what to do? Sometimes we have to use short tricks. Okay, tricks, any short methods हैं. You can cut 2 and 8 मीन्स अगर इक्वेशन के दोनों साइड्स में कुछ फैक्टर्स हैं तो आप न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल कर सकते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर को भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये थोड़ा सा शॉर्टकट मेथड है, इट इज ऑल राइट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, आप ये यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो 8 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 2 4 टाइम्स. नाउ यू कैन राइट x minus 2 on left hand side we have only x minus 2 and on the right hand side we have 1 upon 4. Now what to do? We have variable on left hand side, so it's not a problem, just transpose all the constants on right hand side. This is negative and it is converted into positive value. Now if you take LCM and we solve this, it will be 3 upon 4. Okay, so answer is x equals 3 upon 4. What is x? X is the number, that number, let the number is x. So in the question it is asked that find that number. What is that number? So you can write required number is 3 upon 4. This is the answer and these are the steps. आपको सिर्फ यही स्टेप्स लिखनी है. Okay, let the number is x. Then according to question, so you have to translate these statements into mathematical equation. आपने जो भी नंबर एज्यूम किया है उसमें से इस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Then we have subtracted and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. This is the result of subtraction. Multiply by 1 upon 2 and you get 1 upon 8. जब भी आप देखते हैं you get या you obtain, you will put equal sign, cancel 8 and 2, this 4 times. The equation is converted into simplest form and you can find the value of x by transposing the terms on either side. So the required number is 3 upon 4. You can pause the video or you can take a screenshot so that you can read it later. Next is second question. Second is the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Okay, it is all about perimeter and a rectangle. So you must know what is the formula of a perimeter of rectangle. So I tell you the concept of perimeter. Suppose this is a rectangle and it is length, it is breadth. Obviously it will be also L and B because the length of opposite sides are equal. So the formula of perimeter is P for perimeter equals 2 into L plus B. We will put the values of L and B and this will be the perimeter. So we have to use this formula. Okay, and some other informations are given. On the basis of this information we will make an equation. Now perimeter and its length is 2 meter more than twice the breadth. So it is more and twice, and in the beginning of this video I told you what is the meaning. So you can also draw the diagram and you write length. The breadth is x. Then the length is, so here you have to be very careful. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. तो यहाँ को क्या करना है? 2 meter more. It is 2 meter more, then twice its breadth, then twice its breadth. Okay, 2 meter more, more means plus, twice its breadth. breadth is x, twice means multiply by 2. So this is the breadth and this is the length. Now the perimeter is 154 meter. So we will write P is the perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. So it is 2 into, what is L and B? You can see it is L. So it is 2 plus 2x. What is B? That is breadth. Breadth is x. So the value of P is given. It is 154. That is 2 into, as you can see, it is 2x plus x. Okay, it is 2 plus 2x plus x. So 2x plus x becomes 3x because these are the like terms, and this 2 is as it is. Now see here, you can't add 2 and 3x. Okay, don't do this mistake. आप इन दोनों ऐड नहीं कर सकते because these are unlike terms. Now you can write 2 plus 3x equals, as I told you, the multiplication is converted into division. So it becomes 154 upon 2, and what is that? Okay, that is half of 150 is 75. So it is 77. Okay, and you can easily calculate the value of x. It doesn't matter the variable is on left side or right hand side. Okay, so 3x will be 77 minus 2 because 2 is transferred to left hand side, and it is 3x equals 75. Now what is x? X will be 75 upon 3, that is 25. So I am going to erase this. Finally we have found x is 25 meter. Okay, what is x? In the beginning of question we assume that x is the breadth. So we can say breadth equals 25 meter, and what is length? How will you calculate? Length was 2 plus 2x because it was 2 more than twice the breadth. So it is 2 plus 2, and this is x, 2 plus 50, and it is 52 meter. So this is the answer, because in the question it is asked find out the length and breadth of the rectangular swimming pool. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So this is the breadth and this is the length. And third question is about isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Whose any two sides are equal. This is called base. It is given that the base is 4 upon 3 centimeter and length of equal sides is x. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. So it is x plus 4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter is given, that is 4 and 2 upon 15. So it is 4 and 2 upon 15 equals x plus x 2x plus 4 upon 3. Now convert this into a fraction, simple fraction. 15 4 is 60 and plus 2 62 upon 15 equals 2x plus 4 upon 3 centimeter. Now what to do? This is a term which contains variable. This is constant term. This is also constant. So we will transpose constant terms on either side. It means we can write 2x equals 62 upon 15 and minus 4 upon 3. You can take LCM 15. Now divide 15 by this 15 one times, multiply 1 by 62. We have 62. Divide 15 by 3 5 times, multiply 5 by 4 20. Now 2x equals, what is 62 minus 20? It is 42. 42 upon 15. Now to find the value of x, this is multiplication, it is converted into division. So it is 42 upon 15 and this is 2, it also converted into division. Now what to do? We can cut 42 by 2, which we can divide, that is 21. Again 21 and 15, these are divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 27, 21. Okay, so x will be 7 upon 5 centimeter. So you can write, your answer is the length of each equal sides is 7 upon 5 centimeter. You can convert into mixed fraction also. Okay,